In this video, we discuss about bitwise left shift operator. It is denoted by double less than symbol. It works on two operands. The syntax is n, left shift operator k. The bitwise left shift operator, it shifts the bits of given number n to the left hand side by k positions. A value is doubled when it is shifted to left hand side at each position. Whenever we shift a value to its left hand side at each position, its value gets doubled. We see an example to demonstrate bitwise left shift operator. Here is the example. Here 10 value is shifted to left hand side by two positions. We see what will be the value. I am running this program. The value here is 40. We see how we got this particular value. Here 10 left shift 2. That means 10 is shifted to left hand side by two positions. What happens here? We take the value 10. When it is shifted for the first time to the left hand side, that means it is multiplied with 2. 10 into 2. What is 10 into 2? We get 20. When it is shifted to left hand side for one bit, its value becomes 20. But here it is shifted two times. So for one time shifting, its value becomes 20. And for the second time, this 20 is multiplied with 2. 20 into 2, we get value 40. In this fashion, we get values when values are shifted to left hand side. Whenever a value is shifted to left hand side by one position, its value gets doubled. When 10 is shifted to left hand side for first time, its value becomes 20. And again when 20 is shifted to left hand side for one position, its value becomes 40. So this is how we got the value 40. Let us say I am writing like this: 10 left shift 3. What would be the value? 10 value for one time it becomes 20 for one time shifting. For second time shifting, its value becomes 20 into 2, 40. For third time shifting, 40 becomes 40 into 2, 80. So in this fashion, its value becomes doubled. But this is possible if and only if the bit values do not exceed the register size. Okay, suppose if the values are storing in 8-bit register, if these values do not exceed 8-bit register, then we get this type of values. If the bit values exceed the register value, then we get incorrect values. This is what we need to remember. And there is a shortcut formula to find out direct value. Let us say there is a number n. It is shifted to left hand side by k bits. The shortcut formula here is n into 2 power k. n into 2 power k. Coming to this example, 10 left shift 2. Now its value becomes 10 into 2 power. Number of positions here are k value is 2. 10 into 2 square. 10 into 4. We got value 40. Coming to the next example, 10 left shift 3. What would be the value? 10 into 2 power k. What is k value here? K value is 3. 10 into 8. The value becomes 80. So in this fashion, we can find out the bitwise left shift values. This formula is applicable to negative numbers also. We see that particular example. I am giving minus 10. Minus 10 is left shifted to left hand side two positions by two positions. Now we run this program. So minus 10 for one time it becomes minus 20 and for second time it becomes minus 40. This is how bitwise left shift operator works. But remember, the main point here is the value gets doubled only if and only if the bit values do not exceed register size. If they exceed register size, then we get incorrect values.